Please join me in welcoming to the stage Debbie Rogers from Reach Digital Health.
When I was 20 weeks pregnant, I thought I was going to lose my child. I had almost no amniotic fluid, and her growth was severely restricted. Every day that passed from that moment was critical, because every day her chance of surviving childbirth increased. She did survive, and I now have a very strong 10-year-old girl at home who keeps me on my toes, let me tell you. Yet I was one of the lucky few. I was not like the majority of pregnant women in sub-Saharan Africa, which is the home of 70% of the world's maternal deaths. Their time is also precious, but hours of their time are spent traveling to get to a clinic, and several more hours are spent waiting to access a checkup appointment that typically lasts between 3 and 10 minutes, usually with an overworked, exhausted nurse. That is not long enough to get the care that you need. But those 3 to 10 minutes mean everything to them. And yet we're in the decade where we are supposed to achieve universal health care. If we don't start innovating to strengthen healthcare systems, I believe this is purely a pipe dream. I often say that the attempts to achieve universal health care are like filling a leaking bucket. We can put in as many resources as we want, but the leak will still be there. The gap is just too deep. We must create practical, innovative solutions to this problem, because these mothers are simply not given the time they deserve. But what Reach has found is when they are equipped with the health information they need to utilize those very few moments in the most efficient way possible, it could help make the difference of a life saved. Using simple mobile technology such as SMS and WhatsApp, Reach has served more than 100 million people in 200 countries and territories. It's not a replacement for the healthcare system, but it can be an extension of it. Because when people have access to the knowledge they need about their health, they're both empowered to advocate for themselves and seek the right kind of care in the process. We can create a world where everyone is equipped with the tools that they need to live healthier lives. And we can achieve that with a simple handheld device. Thank you.